What are you doing? Are you behaving? Kenzie? What are you doing over there? Kenzie? Hello? Are you playing with Nanny's light switch? Excuse me, little girl. Kenzie. Hey, stop. Kenna. That's not nice. You be nice to Sissy. That's better. You be nice. Are you playing with my lights? Huh? Are you playing with Nanny's lights? Good girl. Are you playing with Nanny's lights? Hey. That was not nice. Stop. Ken, you want to go in timeout? Are you done playing with Nanny's lights? Are you done playing with Ken? Are you done playing? Can you tell Nanny bye?